The LyfeFocus Neck Stretcher helps manage neck pain and muscle tension by gently correcting posture and stretching the neck muscles. This is ideal for those who spend a prolonged time sitting down or working from a desk, as it helps prevent or improve damage caused from poor neck posture. The neck stretcher has firm massage nodes specifically designed to relieve muscle tension on both sides of the neck, and a hollow core to ensure the neck stretcher isn't too firm while still offering optimal support. Pair with the LyfeFocus back stretcher, which now comes with a high quality memory foam cushion option, so you can be as comfortable as possible when stretching. The neck and back stretcher also have options to add USB heated covers, which come with an easy to use controller with 4 adjustable time and temperature settings. This warms up the muscles, reducing tension, and maximizes the effectiveness of the stretch and soothes stiffness. There is also a LyfeFocus rechargeable power bank, making sure they are perfect to use at home or on the go. LyfeFocus, kind to body and mind.